This hallway here, we're calling it our walk through Ireland hallway or our Ireland hallway. And so we've just decided to put a lot of green, lush green things, animals. We have some clouds here. These clouds are made with a paper lantern and covered in polyfill. We also have some other clouds that are just cardboard or pizza boxes actually that are covered in the polyfill. We printed some of the clip art animals, mounted those onto cardboard with double-sided carpet tape, and then just used empty boxes that we wrapped in paper. We did that for, our animals. We did the same for the grasses that we painted. We made a lot of these little hills where we bought some butterflies online that we taped on. We used a lot of the punches where you can punch out flower shapes. By doing two different size punches, you can make different sets of flowers and glue those on. As well as we have lots of bees, and these bees are actually made of two foam balls and the toothpick in between those two foam balls. We'll talk about those a little bit more later as we get to some of the beehives.